How's it going, everyone? My name is Good Oyster. Welcome back to another game we're going to be playing today. Today, as obviously from the title, we're playing is Ratchet and Clank Size Matters. I believe this is a PSP version game that is on the PlayStation Store app. So, subtitles on. Probably a little bit of the music volume down. Not too bad. Help desk on. Desk voice. And we'll do new game. Whoops. Hold on. New game. Did not mean to press the other way. Pocataro.
Much better. The sun is murder today. I swear, Clank, I'm done with all that hero stuff. Now, let somebody else save the universe. I need a little me time.
If there is trouble, then it is our duty to ensure that...
Ah, what'd you do that for? Whoa, what are you doing?
I'm taking pictures for my school project. I'm doing a report on heroes, and I recognize you from the newspaper. You're Ratchet, right?
Well, I see you have a knack for recognizing greatness.
I was wondering if it would be possible to get some pictures of you doing some heroic action.
Well, I would, but there's really not much heroic work to do around here. Well, I can lift Clank over my head, though. How about that?
I was thinking maybe you could fight some robots or something. I know where you could find them.
I do have a massage scheduled in 15 minutes, but... Oh, what the heck. I could use a bit of exercise. Come on, buddy. Let's put on a good show for our little reporter here.
I am going to regret this.
Alright, let's see how this goes. I don't know which sequel... Oh my god. Oh man, this is some clean classic, like Ratchet and Clank here. Okay, obviously I'm assuming we're going to be... I see some sand sharks in there. Okay. I got hyper shot. I got acid bomb. And I got lectator. What is it called? Lacerator? Huh. I don't know what the hyper shot is. But keep that up. I'm just pressing. So okay, circle is fire. And R1 and L1 are left to right turn. L2 and L1, L2, L and R2 are nothing. Okay, and then that's our activate the vendor. So lacerator ammo. It costs 2 bolts. That's pretty good. That costs 10,000. So that's the concussion gun. Maximize ammo. Whoops. Okay, just basic stuff for Ratchet and Clank buttons. Alright, so we already got like, I guess I got like a little aim helper, so I'm assuming it's for the PSP version.
Press the L button and R button at the same time to crouch. Press the X button while crouching to do a high jump.
Okay. I guess obviously the top gauge on our health. I mean, obviously the gauge is our health. All right.
Press L button and R button and the X button while running to do a long jump.
Oh, I almost
Select
fell.
to enter first person mode. Aim and fire the target on the gate to open it.
No, not what I wanted. Okay, options. Guess we'll turn up a little bit of music on. Not too much. Okay, so select. No.
Press select to enter first person mode. Aim and fire the target on the gate to open it.
Oh, okay. Actually, so I might switch that camera left invert. So it's left and right. No, that's regular camera. Viewed mode. Camera up and down normal. Fly controls normal. Camera mode passive. Okay, I guess it's fine right now. What's down there? Oh, it's nothing down. Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and try the grenade. what's going on? I don't know why we're beating up random robots, but these guys look like they're on vacation. Alright, so that's a nano cell.
If you need more ammunition, try purchasing it at a Gadgetron vendor.
Okay. I'm getting the hang of it. Just a little bit. I'm not 100%. Ooh, what's that thing? You have found the wildfire body armor. Oh, okay, it's already automatically equipped.
Wow, that was cool,
Captain Quark.
I can't wait to show everyone the pictures.
Quark?
Clank! What a coincidence! What are you doing here?
I am trailing Ratchet and Clank to see what they are doing, so I can join in on their next adventure.
Hey, that's what I'm doing! No, wait,
Do you not have somewhere else to go? Home to your family, perhaps?
Hey, Quark. Nice hat. Sorry, Quark. What? Was that your mother's hat or something? Seriously, dude. It's just a hat.
It's not that. It's my mother and father. I never knew my family. I was given up for adoption as a baby and was raised by monkeys.
Okay. Thanks for sharing.
Perhaps you should attempt to find your real parents.
What the hell are these drones?
Get her.
What do they need her for?
Looks like I'm gonna be late for my massage. Let's go.
Maximum ammo. Let's go ahead and buy. And we need 10,000 bolts for the concussion gun. Sorry. Ooh, I didn't know you could have like a spider head, like for the thing. Ooh, shit. These old controls are a little bit hard to... These controls are a little bit hard to navigate. I see. Alright. Sorry, be right back. Hey guys, I am back. I actually do want to look what gadgets we have. So, Hypershot. Well, I pressed circle for info. Oh, that's square. Hypershot fires out of emergency cable that can be used to swing and grapple the special swing targets. Okay. And armor. Damage reduction 5. That's what it is. So we need a wildfire set, I guess. Or... Oh, there's a crap ton of armors. Okay. Whoops. Hold on. Not what I wanted. And then, okay. We have a map section of all the stuff. Alright, so from what the map, it says for us to come over here. Whoa.
You can run up magnetic surfaces using your gravity boots. Try walking up that wall.
Okay, I was curious at first. I'm like, how am I supposed to do all this?
Ratchet can throw his wrench at enemies. Crouch with the L and R buttons, and press the square button to throw the wrench.
Okay, I didn't know that until now. But it's okay. I ain't worried about it right now. There's a platform up there. Is that a jumpable platform? Probably not. Kinda don't want to risk that. Hold on, let me see. Ooh, there's a bolt. How do I get over there? I don't know. I don't even know how far that is. I wonder if we get like a upgrade for Clank later for like a jetpack or so. Not what I wanted to do, but all right. Woohoo! Is it more we level up the... Okay, we can't slide it back up.
Use the directional buttons to make Ratchet strafe in any direction.
Damn it. We're close to get enough bolts for the concussion gun. What are those? You have found the wildfire gloves. Oh, you get a you get a whole set. Okay, I see. How do you do? Gun's almost leveled up. Definitely would like to jump across to see what's going on over there. And I do want to get that bolt, but I think that we're way early in the game to where I don't have anything. Let's see here. We're close to getting up to 10,000. I don't know how much ammo do I have. Wait. Amount for 32, it's, wow. Well, how much do I have? Hold on. It says 5 and 60, so why would it have me buy that amount? I don't get it. Why did it make me buy that amount? I definitely need a power cell, or at least a nano cell.
If you'd like to strafe with the analog stick, you may set this option in the camera and controls menu of the options screen.
Well, how do you do, crab? Woohoo! What the fuck? Is that all of them? Yeah, that's all of them. Man, I'm still a little bit upset that I missed that bolt up there. I really hope that there's it up. Can I hit him from far range? No, I cannot. Alright. And well, I was about to die. Okay, I got. Ooh, how do you do? Alright, you found the Titan Bolt. Okay, we definitely need to go back later to get the other one. Definitely going to get a chance to have our gun be leveled up this time here. Nice. Now you have a Lancerator level 2. Definitely gotta take a look in our whole entire area to make sure that I'm not missing anything important. Did I knock? Okay, here's some more stuff to knock. And I didn't tear down this umbrella. Now I did. Where did we go? Missions. Fight some robots. Rescue. Okay, robots have made off with your new friend. Chase after them and rescue her. Okay, she's in the very top.
Target acquired. Proceeding to Galadon.
Help me!
I can't believe we lost her. Why would they want a little girl?
I do not believe they were after her. I believe they were after this.
Well, this is, what is this?
If my memory bank serves me correctly, I believe it is a technomite artifact.
Yeah, right. Seriously, what is it?
It is a technomite
Look,
artifact.
Clank, that girl is in trouble and we can help her. Technomites are just some fairy story that parents tell their kids to explain how technology works. They don't really exist.
I believe they do exist, and this could prove it. That is why those robots wanted that child to get this object.
Did we? Did you? Whoa, that was quite a jog. Is that what I think it is? Oh, gimme, gimme, gimme! I haven't seen one of these since... Well, I've never actually seen one, but I've heard stories about the technomites and their mystical objects.
There are no technomites!
But this is our only lead. If you want to help that girl, we should follow the coordinates etched on the side.
Fine. Let's get out of here. See ya, Quark. And please, stay out of our way this time.
Am I able to go travel around? Or no? I hope so. Rylus. And Quark, how did he breathe in space?
The technomites appear to have abandoned this area.
Yeah, the technomites are real tricky that way. All right, let's get this over with. Where are we going?
Well,
I'd go that way, but that's just me.
Oh, Quark. Why can't you just leave us alone?
Look, I can help you. I've been here before.
do you know where we should take this object?
Of course I do. But what's in it for me?
You want to find your family, right?
Uh-huh.
Well, if you tell us where to go, you can stay here and use our ship's computer to research your family history.
Ooh, great idea. I'll do it.
Quark, where do we take the artifact?
Try that big building. For some reason, the good stuff is always in the biggest buildings.
Thanks, Quark. You've been helpful.
There's a camera there. No one's talking about the camera. Well, I'm just going to look at this real quick. Okay. So there's 2 platinum bolts in Pokataru. That's where we're at. And then there's 2 here. So let's go ahead and just keep playing, and then hopefully we can find more. Now, I don't know if the outfits are all going to be in the same planets or just multiple planets. But I would like to assume they're going to be in multiple planets. So right now we're almost with 10,000. So right now, hold on. I need how many? So I need 5. I need 70. So let's see here. Let's buy. Holy shit. 4. Okay, I might as well do max ammo then. Whoops, wrong one. It's almost done. It's almost close to level 2, so we don't have to worry about dealing with it more than we should have. I have been always wanted to play more of the Ratchet and the Clank games for many years. Since we already did play Rift Apart. I can't tell. That's it. I don't know what happens if we do that, so. Woo! I don't know what happens if we destroy them. Ooh, bolt. That was easy. Titanium bolt, that's what it is. Oh, that's a back way to our ship? Okay. Oh, actually, I might need that because of the bombs. Alright, yeah, that's fine. We do actually have enough to buy the concussion gun. Okay, we bought that, and the Agents of Doom. Ooh, damn, 25,000. Alright. I guess we'll just leave the cameras alone. I guess they're endless spawn. I wonder whose camera drones are they? I mean, that was my first.
Cameras just keep coming. What should we do?
Just ignore them. They are probably an automatic security system.
All right, let's keep moving. They blow up real good, though.
Where am I? Okay. Woo, son of a bitch.
Press the L button and R button together to center.
Okay. Some reason that didn't work when you, Oh, I have to start over? That's some bullshit. Damn it. I am a level 9 now. I wonder if I have to shoot it. That just probably made it worse. I'm already at 3. Oh, that's right. There's a ball right here.
Press the L button and R button together to center the camera behind Ratchet.
What was that? I did not mean to do that. Damn cameras.
Whoa, hang on there. Now be careful with that. Whew, that was a close one. Now, let me have that water pistol, little fella.
It worked! I finally perfected my Sproutomatic!
Sproutomatic, you say? How does it work?
By shooting mimic plants, you can make them follow you. Then, by using it to water electro soil, the plant will hop in and transform.
Why are you guys talking while Ratchet's getting eaten?
A creature, whatever you need.
Did you hear that, Ratchet? That would come in very handy.
Yeah, great.
Since you helped with the final test, I will give you this prototype to try for yourselves. Wow!
Oh, it looked like it was about to heat me again.
That mimic plant seems useful. Why don't you water it with the Sproutomatic? Different mimic plants gain unique abilities when they're planted in electrosoil. This sprout's fruit is a powerful explosive.
What does he do though? Do I need to keep watering him or? Oh, I do. No? Oh, what the fuck? Okay, hold on. Oh, I see what I did wrong.
Water a patch of electrosoil to plant the mimic plant there.
Let him go in there, and then he's already been plant, and then just hit that. Okay. Son of a bitch. Woo, that almost hit me. Or did it hit me? I don't know. Oh, okay. Ooh. Okay, I gotta clear out the enemies and then get the little guy moving. Oh, he's right over here, actually. The pot plant. Okay, come on, follow me.
You've planted a launcher plant.
What do I do? Oh, launcher
Select
plant.
the
Okay.
hypershot from the quick select menu and hold the circle button while aimed at the target to attach to it and swing.
Okay. Trying to get our concussion gun to level up too. Damn it. I'm also trying to look out for a titanium bolt, too. Woo! Wait a minute. Okay, so what do I need to do is, I guess I need to bring each of them, or one of them. Come on. Get rid of that, and then this one should be a ladder, right? Oh no, it's a launcher. Alright, come on. Ooh, another outfit. Oh, a new armor piece. Wildfire helmet. And we got a platinum bolt, and we got all two in this world. Alright, titanium bolt, my bad.
Yeah, great. It's locked. Well, looks like we'll never find out what that weird doohickey is. Come on, let's go.
I am able to squeeze through this crevice. Wait here, and I will unlock it from the inside.
All right, just don't take all day.
Oh, we're playing as Clank now. Okay.
Press the square button to punch with Clank. These Gadgebots are extremely useful. Free them by breaking their glass cases. You can tell your Gadgebots to stand in place by issuing the wait command.
What's the wait command?
You can issue Gadgebots a variety of commands by holding down the triangle button.
Follow, wait. Okay. And then that should come towards me, yeah.
To defeat enemies, tell your Gadgebots to attack.
Would that consider be me getting XP or no? I don't know where that goes. What the hell is that thing? This must be the Technomite statue. What is that thing? I don't like this. Enter the bolt flinger.
To pick up Gadgebots, aim at them and press the circle button. press the triangle button to exit the bot flinger.
Okay. I haven't had a checkpoint in a bit. Oh, I gotta fling them at those switches, I'm assuming? Does it stay green? Yeah, it does. Now this is check continue point. What's special? Skill points. Train faster. Up and down directional buttons change selection. I didn't. Ah, that's right. Skill points. You have to like unlock certain. Do cows get crabby? So that has to be from the resort, obviously from the location. I might have to look that up. And then this one says bury the pygmies. I don't know what that does. Skins. Oh, okay. Oh, that's creepy. Do you guys see like a double hand feature? It seems like he's wearing it, but it's like coming out of his outfit. Okay, so in order for me to unlock these skins, damn, he's ripped. In order for him to have these skins, I got to get all the platinum bolts. I don't know what cheats are, so... Oh, I have to, in order to unlock cheats, I have to have, excuse me, all the skill points. I kind of do want to look up all the skill points later. Armor sets. There's a lot of armor sets. But, let me go ahead and save here. We'll save right here. And then we'll stop there for today. And then we'll continue further on the next video. Sorry, I'm stuttering. I am having a good time on this game so far. I can't wait to see what other adventure that Ratchet and Clank from the older games that have been going. I still want to play all the other Ratchet and Clank games. But this I have another one too. But anyways, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to follow for more, hit the subscribe button, notification bell if you guys want to. And as always, I'll see you all in the next level. Later.